Namaste and welcome to TradeLele Lab. Before we begin, this video is for education purposes only. Nothing here is a buy or sell recommendation or investment advice. Markets carry risk. Please do your own research and consult a registered advisor before investing. Today I will walk you through our corporate actions page, clicking through every part. So, what are corporate actions? These are important events a company announces that directly affect its shareholders, things like stock splits, bonus shares, dividends and buybacks. As an investor, you must know about them, because a split or bonus changes the number of shares you hold and the price overnight, and if you don't know, it can look like a crash when it isn't. This page gathers all of that from the exchange into one place, across 4 simple tabs. It also adds to more things every trader wants: big institutional deals and company news. Let's start with the first tab, splits and bonuses. A stock split divides each share into more shares. A 1-for-5 split turns one share into 5, and the price drops to 1/5, so your total value is unchanged. A bonus gives you extra free shares. A 1-to-1 bonus doubles your quantity and halves the price. This tab shows the exact ratio, the effect on your quantity, and the ex-date. Notice the upcoming badge that flags actions that haven't happened yet, so you can prepare. And once an ex-date passes, the entry automatically drops off the list. The second tab, corporate actions, covers everything else the company declares: dividends, buybacks, face value changes, annual general meetings and more. The most common here is dividends, with the amount per share and the ex-date on which you must be holding to receive it. So if you care about dividend income, this tab tells you exactly which stocks go ex-dividend and when. Now my favorite for reading the smart money, the block and bulk deals tab. Every day, large institutions, mutual funds and big investors report their large trades to the exchange. This tab shows who bought or sold, how many shares, at what price, and the total value in crores. When a big fund quietly accumulates a stock, or a promoter offloads a large chunk, it shows up here. It is powerful context, but remember, a big trade isn't automatically bullish or bearish. It might be one fund selling to another. Use it to understand a move, not as a signal by itself. The fourth tab is news, the company announcements filed with the exchange. Record dates, board meetings, results, order wins, management changes, the official disclosures, straight from the source, with a link to the original filing. This keeps you on top of what each company is actually telling the market, without hunting across websites. So, how do you leverage this page? 3 ways. 1. Never be surprised by a split or bonus on a stock you hold. Check the upcoming ex-dates so a rebased price is never mistaken for a loss. 2. Use block and bulk deals to understand why a stock is moving and whether big money is stepping in or stepping out. 3. Catch dividends and company news early, before the crowd reacts. You can also click any stock to open its chart and search for a specific name at the top. One page, the whole market's corporate calendar, refreshed for you every night. That is the corporate actions page, splits, bonuses, dividends, big deals and news, all in one place. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the TradeLele Lab channel. We post daily updated stock information every market day. Once again, this is for education only, not a recommendation. Thank you for watching and happy learning.